friends, welcome back to Word Extreme. My name is Pihika and today I'm gonna share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to health, fitness and well-being. So let's get started. The first word is vitality. Sentence: regular exercise and proper nutrition can significantly boost your vitality. Synonyms: energy, vigor. Antonyms: lethargy, weakness. The next word is nourish. Sentence: we must nourish our bodies with wholesome foods and maintain good health. Synonyms: feed, sustain. Antonyms: starve, deprive. The next word is rejuvenate. Sentence: a good night's sleep can rejuvenate both your mind and body. Synonyms: revitalize, refresh. Antonyms: exhaust, drain. The next word is alleviate. Sentence: meditation can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Synonyms: relieve, easy. Antonyms: arc, worsen. The next word is endurance. Sentence: marathon runners need exceptional endurance to complete the race. Synonyms: stamina, persistence. Antonyms: weakness, fragility. The next word is holistic. Sentence: the clinic takes a holistic approach to treating patients. Synonyms: comprehensive, complete. Antonyms: partial, fragmented. The next word is therapeutic. Sentence: swimming has therapeutic benefits for people with joint problems. Synonyms: healing, remedial. Antonyms: harmful, damaging. The next word is metabolism. Sentence: regular physical activities can help speed up your metabolism. Synonyms: digestion, processing. Antonyms: stagnation, inactivity. The next word is immunity. Sentence: vitamin C helps strengthen your immunity against common illness. Synonyms: resistance, protection. Antonyms: vulnerability, susceptibility. The next word is thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: holistic. Your challenge: use one of today's words to describe your wellness routine in the comments. Share a health tip using today's words. Like if you are committed to wellness. Subscribe for daily vocabulary boost. Share with health conscious friends. Thank you. See you tomorrow with 10 more English words. Bye bye.